आप सबको मेरा नमस्ते दोस्तों. Welcome to my YouTube channel Cherry on the Top, where I share my creativity. So let's get started.
I have this Pringle potato chips cardboard cans. So it is made of good quality cardboard and I'm going to use these cans now. So I'm going to require 6 of it and I have a lot of it actually. So I'm going to use the 6. So it has this plastic lid and on the base it has this metal base. So I'm going to remove both. From here I'm going to give a cut and I'm going to remove this metal part and also the plastic lid. So it is going to look something like this. It has this really nice round shape on the upper side and I'm going to require it at the base so that it would become sturdy. So I'm going to arrange these cans in a circular shape. And now I'm going to apply some hot glue just in the center of all these bottles, and I'm going to stick this together so that would make a good bind. Arrange and stick them together till the time you don't get a satisfactory perfect circular shape. So now I'm going to paint it with a black color. I am using an oil paint. You can use acrylic color, chalk paint or any other color you have. But the thing is, if you are going to apply acrylic color or a chalk paint and if you choose the light color, so then you need to apply at least 2-3 coats to cover this cardboard color and the print on it, because if you don't do it, it would be surely visible and it won't look good. So once that's done, I'm going to allow it to get dry, and in between that time I'm going to make a tabletop. So I have this wood piece, round wood piece, and I gave it a wood stain, same wood stain, walnut color. And now I'm taking a golden color and a flat brush. I'm giving it a straight strokes but with the dry brushing technique. So I've taken a little bit of color and I'm applying it and giving it a straight strokes. So to blend in both the parts of this table, I am going to do the same thing with these cans as well, and I'm applying a golden color on the base. Do not cover this black color completely. We want it see-through, so I'm just giving it a little bit strokes of it. So I'm done with both the things. So now I'm going to apply some hot glue and I'm going to stick these two pieces together. So on the top of it, I'm keeping this wood piece and I'm just pressing it. So this is the kind of finish we got at the end and this is what I wanted. So now in this picture you can see it clearly. So our small table is ready and this is how it looks. So if you like this table, please do try this at home and let me know in the comment section below. Also, if you are going to try this at home, I want to tell one thing, that when you are using that tabletop, so use a bigger wood piece, because I didn't have one, so I used a smaller one. So if you use a bigger wood piece on the tabletop, so it's kind of going to look beautiful. So that's it, I'm done for today and here I'm signing off. I'll soon come up with another video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys, have a nice day, bye bye.